This is the first product that we're introducing for our hair care, which complements our aloe jojoba shampoo and our aloe jojoba conditioner. This formula is ideal for all hair types and textures. It is a lightweight, dry oil with a sweet, subtle, fruity, floral fragrance. That's a mouthful. All I can tell you is it smells divine. When you put it on, the experience, you're gonna love it. You're gonna wanna use it as much as you can just because of the fragrance. Add that to the amazing formulation that is silicone-free, it's going to be one of your favorite products, I'm certain. Silicone-free products are rare and hard to find, but why would you want a silicone-free hair oil? Silicone is an inexpensive filler ingredient that hair oil companies add to their products, and when you put it in your hair, it weighs hair down. You can't use a silicone-based product day after day after day without feeling like you have to wash your hair. Our oil has a botanically derived silicone alternative that is light enough you can use it every day and where it won't weigh your hair down. Our product also contains aloe barbadensis leaf extract. Of course it does, but it contains that with 6 natural precious oils that are sourced from around the world. These are oils that will help provide moisture, help with shine, and control frizz as you nourish your hair with your application. Some of these rich precious oils are creme abyssinia oil, which shields hair from styling and environmental stressors. Jojoba oil, which pairs nicely with our jojoba shampoo and conditioner, offers hydration and conditioning for smoother, softer hair. Patchouli oil is rich in fatty acids and antioxidants that soothe and smooth hair with a non-greasy feel. That's really important. You don't want to put hair oil in your hair and feel like it immediately becomes greasy. Subaki oil adds shine and elasticity to hair, while Peki oil adds shine, smooths the hair cuticle, and helps to reduce frizz. And finally, an oil which you've heard of, but is just equally as powerful in this formula, safflower oil. But not just any safflower oil. This is a sustainably sourced safflower oil, which helps to support moisturization and the appearance of hair's fullness. All of these oils were curated from around the world for their very specific function in nourishing hair, and they do just that. Let's talk about how to use nourishing hair oil. First of all, it comes in a glass bottle with a pump and a dropper. You simply press down on the top, unscrew the lid, and you're all ready to go. You can use a half a dropper, or you can use a full dropper depending on the length and the thickness of your hair. Let's talk about how to use nourishing hair oil. First of all, it comes in a glass bottle with a pump dropper. You're simply going to press down the button on the cap, then unscrew the cap, and you're going to then just depress as much as you want into the palm of your hand. Again, it is a lightweight, dry oil that just smells divine. And I actually use it in my hair. I use a half a dropper when my hair is wet to help with a detangle and a conditioning. And then I use another half of a dropper when it's dry to help tame frizz. You start always at the ends and work your way up through about the mid-hair, and then spirit fingers or fairy dust the top of your hair, because at the end of the day, it is still 6 precious oils from around the world, and it can build up and make your scalp feel greasy if you use too much. So always start at the ends and then just lightly go across the top of your hair. I do this in both wet and dry. The preference is yours. Use it how you think you'll get the best results, but please use it and watch how your hair is transformed, and you're gonna smell that delightful smell, which is gonna remind you how much you love Forever Living products. I sincerely wish you the greatest success as you share our products with the world, and as always, I'm sending you the biggest hugs and loves.